I am rewriting the script of my lineage. I am bold where they were hesitant. I am loud where they were silenced. I am the fulfillment of my ancestors' wildest dreams. I am a vessel of ancestral strength. I am releasing the need to hide my light to stay safe. I am safe because I am powerful. I am a bridge to a fearless future. I am legacy in the making. I am the light that clears the path for those to come. Visualize a long line of people standing behind you, stretching back for miles. These are your ancestors. Some are glowing, but many are hunched over, carrying heavy bags of worry and shame. You turn around and face them. You place your hands on the ground, and a wave of golden light flows from your fingers, traveling back through the line. Watch as the bags they are carrying disintegrate. They begin to stand up straight. They begin to smile. You are not just helping yourself, you are liberating the past. As they find their strength, they place their hands on the shoulders of the person in front of them, passing that strength forward to you. You feel a massive surge of power entering your back. You turn back toward your future, backed by 1,000 generations of courage. Section 5. The command of the present moment. Say this aloud. I am here. I am now. I am fully engaged with the power of the present. I am not a prisoner of the past. I am not a victim of future anxiety. I am the master of this second. I am breathing in possibility. I am exhaling limitation. I am alert. I am aware. I am alive. I am noticing the beauty in the mundane. I am finding opportunities in them. Now! I am the observer and the creator. I am anchored in the eternal present. I am sufficient for the task at hand. I am growing in the soil of today. I am a masterpiece in the making right now. I am the presence that changes the atmosphere. Visualize a bright, vertical beam of white light coming down from the sky and anchoring you to the earth. Everything outside this beam is a blur of gray. Inside the beam, colors are hyper-vibrant. You can see the dust motes dancing in the light. You can hear the rhythm of your own heart. This beam is the now! As long as you stay within it, you are invincible. You see the ghosts of yesterday and tomorrow trying to pull you out of the beam, but you remain centered. You feel the physical sensation of the ground.